friends!
Today we want to show you something very special. We have a Mangosteen M1P here, the updated version from 2026, and it's very nice. This is a 50 CCM bike in electric version. We have 30 ampere hours of battery, 60 volts of voltage, and
In most cases, if you have a license, a car license, you can drive it.
Yes, in the most countries. So, and this is go to 50 kilometers per hour. And we thought this is too slow. Come here, we show you the speedometer. Go on full throttle now, my friend, go! And 59 kilometers per hour, and this is very fun. But 80 is much more fun, we think. And today we want to show you how you can bring this moped to 80 kilometers per hour in less than 10 seconds.
But first, if you want to buy this bike, it's a very good deal. 1,700 euros for almost 2 kilowatts per hour battery. It's very, very cheap for such a bike. And if you want to buy it, look down in the description.
Yeah,
and
we have a coupon code for you, Niklas.
Niklas.
It's down in the description below, and then you can save 50 euro. It's very good, I think. It's a very good deal. It's very good quality. It's much better than the last version. And now we want to show you how to make it faster. It's very easy. You don't need anything for it. You don't just need two hands. If you have two hands,
I only want one.
okay, then you need a friend. It's no problem. Okay, step one. Shut down the e-bike, the e-chopper, whatever. Turn the key, so it's nothing. And now it's very important that you give full throttle, and the right brake, you pull it both at the same time and not release it until I say it. And now you start the bike, and now you count to 6, 7, 1, 2,
6, 7.
3, 5, 4, 7, 11, Family Mart. And now you can release it at the same time and you can shut down the bike. And that was all. And now you can restart it. And if you now go on full throttle, you can drive 80 kilometers per hour. And this is very nice, but please guys, be careful. With 80 kilometers per hour, you drive against the wall, you're dead. So please don't drive against the wall. Please be safe and don't use stupid things on the street.
Yeah. If you buy this original, you can drive it in almost every country in Europe. But if you do this trick, you can't. So you will have to be careful for cops.
Yeah, it demands on which country you are living. And in Germany, if I drive this on the street, I got arrested and they will beat my face, the police, I think. Maybe. But
maybe.
we are clean deutsche Bürger. And we don't do stupid things. We just drive this on our private racing track. It's called Grand Prix of Monaco.
Ja. Wir danken für die Zuguckung. Put some comments down below and let us know how you feel about this bike.
Yeah, I feel very good.
Me too.
Tschüss.
Tschüss.